Want silky 4K at 120 frames per second on your iPhone 16 Pro? Let's set it up. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap Camera to access recording options. Tap Record Video to reveal resolution and frame rate choices on the phone. Select 4K, then choose 120 frames per second from the frame rate list. If you need highest quality, toggle ProRes or HDR only when you have storage and editing support. Open the camera app and confirm the 120 frames per second indicator in the top corner before recording. Use bright, even lighting, golden hour or soft LED panels give the best detail and color. Stabilize the iPhone with a gimbal or tripod to keep motion smooth at 120 frames per second. Watch storage. 4K at 120 frames per second consumes large files. Free up space or use ProRes selectively. Record a short normal speed clip, then record at 4K 120 frames per second for a direct comparison. Play back both clips. 120 frames per second gives smoother slow motion and more detail in fast movement. Use higher bitrate and ProRes for best quality, export carefully, and go capture stunning 4K 120 frames per second footage.